Alright, hey guys, I am going to be showing you a new hair dryer that I got. It is called the Rosily Salon. Alright, so it comes in pretty nice packaging. This is what it looks like. So it has a 12-month warranty. You get 2 attachments. This is one of them. This is the other attachment. It's got little like bristles on it. They're hard, but they do move a little bit. They do have some give to them. And then you have the hair dryer. So this is the hair dryer. It's purple. This is what it looks like. The cord. It's got a few different settings. There you can see those. Right, so then you have the instructions that come with it too. So this is the only hair dryer with this styling button. The styling button is this red one, which pushes in and out. So it turns it on and off. When you turn the styling button on, it turns on a low speed with a soft wind and a high heat, or you can do it to cold wind. Then there's drying mode, which is just normal hair dryer. So the styling mode in this hair dryer is the first hair dryer. It's the first hair dryer to have such low speed and high heat together. So you guys will see, but it is also very quiet. So you'll see, and you'll probably be able to hear me because it's so quiet. So there are multiple modes. So there's low speed, low heat, and normal temperature. So you don't need to worry about your hair, other sections of your hair being blown dry before you finish styling it. There are lots of different options to use. So I just took a shower, so my hair is damp. I do have natural curls, but I am going to put a little bit of wave into it. So I have a round brush and my hairbrush, and we're gonna get started on drying. So I'll probably kind of like speed through this, kind of show you guys what I'm doing, and yeah, and then we'll get to the This is it on the styling. So this is hot and low speed. This is so that it is done without drying the rest of your hair. You're just focusing on that one part. Alright guys, so I just finished my hair with the hair dryer. I just have some loose curls right now. They're a little bit tight just because I just finished them, but they'll drop after the day. Yeah, so they look good. They look good for a hair dryer, curling, and a round brush. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys like them. Definitely make sure you go and give this product a look. This is a great hair dryer. It definitely has everything you need in it. So yeah, go check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye guys.